My aha moment was probably when I saw this photo of me at Christmas time. I was overweight, I didn't feel like I looked that good. And so when we went to my mother-in-law's for Christmas, I put on a nice blouse, I did my hair, did my makeup, had a pretty necklace on, and I thought I was looking pretty good. And then when we got home and I saw a picture of myself, it was pretty devastating to see myself looking that big and filling out my shirt, having my chin, be so big, my neck be so big. And that was when I had put effort in to look good, and I looked horrible, absolutely horrible. I didn't have any confidence, and I missed out on class reunions. I missed out on seeing friends because I was ashamed of the way I look. When I was seeking out a meal plan, the Cooking Light diet was the one that kept coming up and showing up in my Facebook feed, and it looked like there were multiple meals that you could choose from, a lot of different options, a lot of different recipes, all kinds of food. And with the Cooking Light diet, half my grocery cart is produce, and my family's relationship with food has improved dramatically because they enjoy the food, they like the food, they know what they're gonna have for dinner. The meal plan's done ahead of time. My meals are a good size. You're not deprived. It's delicious food, and anything you want to eat, there's a recipe for that you can make that's light and healthy. Once I started the Cooking Light diet, I started losing a little bit of weight, felt better about myself. I was able to get outside, and we started walking more and more. I've lost 60 pounds so far, and the thing I'm most proud about in my journey is that I have stuck with it. Yeah, when I started losing weight, I started getting too small for my clothes. And it was an amazing feeling to have to buy new clothes because you've outgrown them by getting smaller rather than getting bigger.